Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stop people from adding you to WhatsApp groups. So, let's get started. So first, let's open up WhatsApp. From here, tap on the three dots on the upper right side of your screen and then tap on Settings. In the following options, tap on Privacy. And from here, tap on Groups. So from here, you can modify who can add you to groups. By default, it is everyone. But here, you can also choose My Contacts or My Contacts Except. Now from here, you can choose who cannot add you in groups among your contacts. And if you want, you can select all of your contacts and nobody can add you to groups. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.